You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Nissan ARIYA. Create a brighter future with this climate-friendly ARIYA. Efficient, elegant, convenient, capable, and refined. This beautifully designed EV makes every journey feel good. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, backup camera. Refined comfort blends beautifully with earth-friendly EV efficiency in this striking ARIYA. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.